What is up, everybody? Ryan from sportscarradio.com here to try again 2011 Bowman Retail Blaster Box. Open one. We didn't get a Harper, but we got 3 greens, number to 450, some prospect rookie cards, all that good stuff. So, hoping to pull a Bryce. Jed Garko. Good prospect there. Everett T-Ford, Jake Peavy, Ryan Dempster, Brandon Schneider, Ichiro, Mike Stanton, Cody Hines, Rafael Iona, Troy Tulowitzki gold there. Drake Bryden, Colin McPherson, Mike Stanton, B.J. Upton, Nelson Cruz, Waldo Jimenez, Lucas Duda, tops of the class, Ryan Caven, Bowman Chrome there, Wade Gaynor, Stephen Drew Gold, Jim Gallagher, Jack Shuck, Jason Bay, Shane Victorino, Victor Martinez there, Ryan Braun, Chris Carter, Brooklyn A's there, James Fuller, Sean Ochinko, Gregory Infante. So nothing special so far. D. Gordon, Hector Nossi, Lance Berkman, Jose Reyes, Roy Oswalt, David Wright, Bowman International there. It's kind of nice. Jonathan Villar, Ryan Braun, Bowman's best, Ryan Ludwig, Willie Cabrera, Michael Givens, David Price, Carlos Quentin, Jake McGee, Gavin Floyd, Brandon Belt there, Tops 100, Giants, Tops Prospect, Joseph Wieland, Adonis Cardona, Pedro Alvarez gold. Ah, here we go. Is the man right there, Bryce Harper, $100, best offer. Oh, just kidding. That's how much they were selling for, though. Right at the beginning, it's about $100. So there we go, Bryce Harper, one down. Cody Puckett. Maybe we'll get that autograph too. Desmond Jennings rookie, nice. These black borders are, whew. Get a BGS 9 or 10, that'd be good. J. Happ. Mike Trout, Bowman's brightest, nice. Tom Kohler, Jared Cosart, Joe Mauer. So there we go, we got a little Bryce. Bryce is in the building. $100. Corey Jones, Sammy Solis, Derek Lowe, David Wright, somebody, Madison Bumgarner, Donovan Tate, nice. Ty Morrison, Ben Gamble, Derek Jeter, gold, nice. Last pack in this one. Gabriel somebody, Brian Fletcher, Justin Upton, Alexei Ramirez, Yuneski Maya, Casey McGee, Zach Bryton, Tops 100, I mean. David Rubenstein, Matt Dominguez, Bowman's best, Chris Johnson. So hey, we did it. Bryce Harper, no offer under 100. Listen to, I mean, look at that centering. I mean, you can see it. BGS 9.5 guaranteed. There we go. SportsCardRadio.com. Go get them.